Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube family, and really sorry for very late video. Actually, I was busy in my some personal work as I am doing the master's degree in data science from UK. So the whole time how I plan this and how I move from Pakistan to UK, so it takes some time and I was really busy, so that's why I did not make any video for you. But don't worry, now I'm here for you to create some videos. Okay, as I did masters in data science, so I think I make a video for you something related to the data science. Okay, and in this video series I'm going to make Power BI and SQL tutorial, and you will see that here I have a dataset, and this is the Excel sheet, and the dataset is in the form of Excel sheet, and we use this dataset and we import this dataset to Power BI, and we import this dataset to MySQL Workbench. So in these videos we use these two softwares, so I will provide you the link in the description box to download the Power BI and MySQL MySQL Workbench. So before starting the work on this dataset, first of all we understand this dataset. As you know that in Power BI we create a visualization like graphs and tables for some company and any stakeholder. But before working on the dataset, you know that it is very important to understand the dataset to work on it. Okay, so first we are going to discuss something about this dataset, and you will see that here the dataset contains some file related information. So this is the dataset of London Fire Brigade, and as I got this dataset as my assignment, so I use this dataset. You can use any dataset like medical, any dataset which company provide you to generate some meaningful insights. As you know that we have lot of datasets, okay, and the businessman did not understand the whole dataset, so we create a visualization like graphs, so anyone who see the graph understand it quickly, and this is very important for all the business. Okay, so now if you look this dataset, you will see that here we have a fire alarm special services like this. So this is the dataset where when some incidents happen, then they generate a call. So this is the time of call, this is the hour of call, like how many time the call carry on, like 1 hour, 15 minutes, 10 minutes to report the incident. This is the incident type, like why the incident happened, due to fire, due to false alarm. Like you know that there are a lot of alarms in different houses in different locations. If you are watching from Pakistan, so in Pakistan there are no much false alarm, but in UK we have false alarm in every house, and the special services. And this is the column which describes something more, like which is the fire type, secondary, primary. Like if the fire is too serious, that is primary. The secondary is less serious, like something like that. A special services type, like life release and other information. This is the property type, like the where the fire happens, outdoor structure, and this is the information. And this is further description of property type. This is the postcode and all the information. This is the borough code, this is the east rounded and not rounded and all that, and this is the some information like when the pumps, to remove the fire we need pump. So this is the time of that. Okay, this is the number of pumps, number of stations, like how many stations are involved in reducing the fire, and this is the number of pumps, like the fire is removed by one pump or two, like this, and this is the time of pump, and this is the national cost, like how many cost it takes to reduce and remove the fire, and this is the time and hours. So this is the whole data set, and I think we have two columns like hours, and here I create the other column which is hour, and actually it should one column, yeah, but just ignore it as it is the duplicate of this column. So this is the data set of London Fire Brigades, and we use this data set, and if you want to understand this data set as something more better, I attach a file in the description box for that. Okay, now let's see the Power Bi software, and actually I import the data here, so that's why you are seeing this data, but you go to home, and here you will see you have the get data, and you can, as the data is the Excel workbook, so you click on this and import the data, where you download this. Okay, so I provide this data in the description also, so you import the data here, and when you import this, like if I show you, you will see this, then you can click on this data, and you will see the data is loading. And after loading the data, we can work on it. Okay, so in the next video we will work on it and understand it more deeply. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.